a synergy of ideas and notions, and conversations amongst you is a must for the growth of the industry at large, which is the central reason for the birth of Synersense. Synersense will also work towards getting international talent to India and taking Indian talent to international markets. For first interaction, may I invite Mr. Vikram Saptashrishi, Single Source Solution Manager from Jotun Paints, to take us through the latest in the world of quality paints.
To begin with, the name of our organization is Jotun, which means a kind of a mythological giant. And this is our simplest perspective of our organization in order to have a conquerors over in the quest of the entire world with respect to our paints.
Can we now have equally artistic Mrs. Karuna Samtani with us?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a pleasure to be with you, an august audience. I can talk about our company as much, but I would prefer that if you would want to ask some questions seeing the film. We have products in various categories: modern, classic, silver.
May I know the process, how you make the sculptures?
There is a mold made,
Yeah.
and after that you get to see what you're seeing.
Any way you finish
Apart
it?
from design, yes, sorry.
Any other way you finish it, or is it like this only?
No, the finishing is what you're seeing.
And can we have some sculpture with like sharp edges, like stalactites or stalagmites, that sort of things?
You can have stalactites and stalagmites for sure, but what we have is what you can see at the showroom, and we have 20 designs coming every month more, so you can keep coming and keep seeing the new designs every month. You're talking of stalactites and stalagmites, right?
Yeah, something very sharp or something.
Yeah,
like
yeah, we have some stuff there. You can come and have a look.
How long have you been in this business?
10 years. We've been exporting for 10 years, and now our first showroom is opened at Andheri, and we will be having plenty more in time to come.
What could be the price range like for the products?
5,000 to 10 lakhs, 5 lakhs. I mean, it depends on what we create subsequently. Presently, what you have seen is between 5,000 to 5 lakhs. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and please do visit our showroom, and I'll see you at the desk outside. Thank you.
Mona, can we please have you here?
A very simple question to begin with, just to take your mind off the artistic beauty that you've just seen around. Given an option to travel from Bombay to Delhi, would you prefer traveling by train or plane? I'm sure it would be plane. Given an option to post or courier a letter, what would you like to do? I'm sure it would be courier. We've forgotten about post. Why? Fast, convenient, hassle-free. That's exactly what wallpaper is. Fast, convenient, hassle-free.
Any more questions before? Yeah. Sorry.
Mona, initially about
Yes,
10-15 years back, people used to have a lot of apprehension about wallpaper.
Yes.
And the general feedback what we used to get, कि ये washable है क्या,
Yeah.
peel off होता है क्या, no? We have come a long way from there till today.
Absolutely.
We got all exotic finishes now. But I just wanted to know one thing: what is the industry-wise proportion of wallpaper that is manufactured in India and what you import in today's?
So today in India, there is no wallpaper manufacturer. We were the last dying out ones, and we had to actually stop primarily because the volumes were not there. Germans are ready to tie up with us, set up plants here, provided there are volumes. Because as I told you, 7 manufacturers ka material when we buy and still do a turnover, we are buying just 1 day production of theirs. So there is, in today's scenario, there is just no comparison. So the fact that they see that this is a growing country and they expect business to boom just as it has in Russia and China, they are looking at this market very seriously. But currently there is no manufacturer in India.
The basic application of the wallpaper,
Yeah,
we always concentrate on the interior part.
yeah.
Is it having an area on the exterior also? Cannot be. That is the conception with us. Please
So
highlight this point.
Yeah. So being a decorative product, it's still world over used in the interiors. So the exterior aspect is still not, explored or looked at or something. But I could definitely talk to the foreign suppliers and check with them if there are any external applications. So far as my knowledge goes, there isn't any yet. But there are enough interior wall surfaces that can be done.
Thank you, everybody. It's been a wonderful session, and you are a wonderful audience. We are really privileged to have you here. As I said, Citizens is a humble beginning to have many more such platforms. And I think it was quite healthy that we could have Yotun and Marshals together today. So, as I'm saying, many more to come. And I'm saying we have not only India in our target, we have international market also for us. I repeat myself, we intend to get international talent in architecture, in interior designing, in construction to India and vice versa.
Hello, good evening. This was an excellent occasion to meet and understand the products which are well known otherwise also, but more developed over the time, and it is very nice to understand various details which have come as recent developments in the products. It's very nicely organized. I'm very happy the way it has been organized, and I hope that in future also we get such opportunity to meet the people and meet the products also accordingly. Thanks a lot. Thank you.
Well, about this event, it's a very good concept. Getting three different companies together, wherein two are completely contradictory, wallpapers and paints. And I like the concepts of the artist. That's new in the market, and it's good if people understand it in depth.
So was it productive enough for you?
Yeah, it was. It was a bit productive for me, and we might get back to you all for much details of the products. Yeah.
Thanks a lot.
I think Water has made a very interesting initiative, and very often getting competition, or should I say a conglomerate of people who are in the same space, is not as easy as it has been done. So Water, for me, Water is Vandana. So I think she has done a brilliant job, and a very well planned and very well executed. And I'm sure that many more that she will do will be better than what is today. Interesting, lovely, good initiative. God bless.
I enjoyed the evening. The most memorable presentation was from Jotun Paints. They have given very nice information on paints. Because other two distinct presentation were so small, that artist and wallpapers. It was a routine type, but Jotun is a new paint, I think, delivered in India, I think.
So you really loved that.
Yes, yes.
I hope you had a very nice day.
Very nice day.
All right.
Thank you.
Yeah, thanks a lot.
Yeah, hello, this is Rajesh Gajja, architect. We thoroughly enjoyed today's evening, especially Yotun paints. It was very enlightening. And about the wallpaper, that's Marshall wallpaper, we really learned a lot, in terms of the technicalities which we were not aware of. So all in all, it was a great evening, and followed by a great dinner. Thank you so much.
It was a good event. Yeah, I enjoyed it, and we will be always coming whenever you call us. How somehow we had some additions. Thank you very much. We wish you good luck. Thank you.
Have a good night.
Thank you.
Basically, this event is a very much good platform for our young architects. We got a lot of information in this exhibition. We have what a good or what a bad effects on this product. We have gotten some idea, and hope we applicable for this product in our new coming sites. This is a.
So how were the presentations?
Presentation is good. Presentation is good. I like it, the presentation. Basically, the event is very good. Arrangement is also good, and this PPT presentation is. I like the PPT presentation of Yotun Prints.
It is a good event, planned properly, and overall presentation quality and the feedback was quite good. The only thing is, if managedly time management done properly, then it will be a fantastic opportunity, and Jotun is right now feeling good about this particular event. And one more thing, if you can able to manage this kind of event on a larger scale, then we would love to participate in much more better and prominent way. For example, then we can showcase our major highlights as a Jotun group to the larger audience. That's the feedback I want to give. Thank you. We would love to, showcase our talent, our capabilities as a group to all the architecture segment, and that's what I request to you as a team, that if you can conduct this kind of event on a larger scale, we will love to showcase our talent in a much more, in a larger scale. That's the feedback from us. Thank you.